How to turn off Snapchat location. So if you want to turn off Snapchat location, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, you need to go with the top right or left where you will have your profile, and then tap on the settings, which is on the top right. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of location. So find the option of location and then tap on it, and it will take you to this kind of interface. So make sure that your ghost mode is turned on so that your friends won't be able to see your location. But what you can do is you can open up your settings or just tap and hold on to that Snapchat application, go with the app info. And from here, if you want to turn off the location, then go with permissions, and under permissions, you need to turn off the location by tapping on location and tap on don't allow. Once you do this, then this app will not be able to use location. So that's how you can turn off your Snapchat location. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.